Traffic rarely proceeds at a steady rate. It frequently slows down and speeds up, requiring you to constantly readjust your cruise control. Now with Hyundai Palisade Smart Cruise Control, you will find it much easier to go with the flow. The system allows you to program the vehicle to help maintain the desired speed and minimum safe distance between yourself and the vehicle ahead. You can turn Smart Cruise Control on or off by pressing the cruise switch on the steering wheel. Press the Resume Set switch down to set your cruise control speed or to reduce vehicle speed. Press it up to resume cruise control or increase vehicle speed. The Cancel button cancels cruise control operation. Once Smart Cruise Control is turned on, you can set the desired minimum distance to the vehicle in front of you. To adjust the vehicle distance, press the Vehicle-to-Vehicle Distance button. Each time the button is pressed, the vehicle-to-vehicle distance changes as follows: Distance 4, Distance 3, Distance 2, Distance 1. Distance 4 will maintain the farthest distance between you and the vehicle in your lane ahead, while Distance 1 will be the closest. Pressing the button again after reaching Distance 1 will cause the distance to change to Distance 4. The system will remember the last distance you used every time you turn the system on or off and every time you restart the vehicle. You can also adjust the sensitivity with which the Smart Cruise Control system will maintain the set distance. First, make sure that the ignition is on. For models with the digital display, press the Setup button on the dash, then Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then SCC Reaction. For models without the digital display, use the LCD Display Control button on the right side of the steering wheel to get to the User Settings menu. Then go to Driver Assistance, then SCC Reaction. Here you have three choices. Fast means that the vehicle will react sooner than normal to maintain the set distance. Normal means the vehicle will react at a normal speed to maintain the set distance. Slow means that the vehicle will react later than normal to maintain the set distance. The system will remember the last sensitivity setting selected every time you turn the system on or off and every time you restart the vehicle. With Smart Cruise Control, if the vehicle ahead should stop, your Palisade will also come to a full stop. If the vehicle ahead of you starts moving, your vehicle will start as well. However, if you are stopped for more than 3 seconds, you must depress the accelerator pedal or press up or down on the Resume Set switch to start driving again. If desired, you can use conventional cruise control. This will maintain only the speed of the vehicle. To do this, turn the cruise control system on, then depress and hold the Vehicle-to-Vehicle Distance button for more than 2 seconds. In the LCD display, choose between Smart Cruise Control and Cruise Control. If you choose Cruise Control, the system will now maintain only the speed of your vehicle. You must manually adjust the distance to other vehicles by depressing the brake pedal. The system does not automatically adjust the distance to vehicles in front of you. When you turn the cruise control system off by either pressing the cruise button or by turning the engine off and back on, the Smart Cruise Control feature will again be the default setting. Smart Cruise Control may not fully function in bad road conditions or in certain weather conditions. For a full list of circumstances in which the systems may not be active, see your owner's manual. While Smart Cruise Control may provide assistance, it is not in control of your vehicle. You are. Always keep in mind that safe driving is your responsibility.